Hi friends, welcome back. And this is Lokesh. And today we are going to discussing about how to use the login using K6 and verifying using for check constraint. Check constraints we have already used so many times. And again, I'm going to use the same check constraint. Okay. And here, I'm going to take this particular website. Okay. Before going to click, I'll inspect this one and I'll go to network place. Okay, you can see there is nothing is there. Once I click this sign in and you can see login.php. Okay, if you go down, some login.php is there. Yeah, see login.php, this is the response time and this is the header. Okay, this is the get functionality. You can able to use this particular get functionality URL and you can able to hit. Even it will work out for post as well. Okay, post and get, both the cases it will work. Where whatever you want, you can able to use this one. Okay, same functionality get is basically we are going to provide some username and password, or you can able to go ahead and give for post method and send this username and password into that request body and get it. Okay, you will get for response like this, and after that there is a title is there, right? Sign on my micro, this one, or you can able to use for any assertion of this one. Okay, after hitting this one we are going to verifying the response of this one, and then this will give you for sign off as well. Okay, I'll take this one and I'll keep it here. Okay, once I give this one Mercury is my username and password. Okay, and here username and password and submit. Then you can see login success.php. There is another file which is login underscore success.php. If you go up again, there is here. Okay, this file it will be there. Okay, the title became a login Mercury tours. Okay, or you can say inside down when you go for down, right? In the down also you can able to see login successful. Login successful. There is a some response will be there. Thank you for logging. Like this, we have so many things to identify. See four places. See login successful here. There is a H3 tag. Okay. This particular value also we can able to verify. Login success is presented or not by using these two places. Okay. And here also get functionality. There also get functionality. We can able to use for one is post method and another one is get functionality. Both the cases it will work as expected. Okay. Login successful.php. Okay. Now I'll create for here one file tc05 underscore login.js file. Okay, login.js file. We can minimize this one. We'll close this all the things. Now we can first import HTTP from K6 and import check from K6. Okay. Once we imported this one and we need to create the option for value. If you want, you can create. If you don't want, you can not be create. Okay. Anything is okay. Let options virtual user is equal to 1. Okay. 1 only I'm going to creating. Iteration is 1. Sorry. Could be colons. Sorry. And then we are going to use for export. Okay. Default functionality. Default function. Okay, and here we need to use for login purpose. Okay, constant login URL. Okay, For this, we need to use for this particular one. Okay, copying this one and pasting here. Okay, once we done, we required for username password. Okay, that is a payload required for login and password purpose. Okay, and here the options become a username is equal to Mercury for equal to comparing to this semicolon. Okay, and then again I'm going to use for password colon Mercury. Okay, this is my username and password. My password and username got hitted. Now I need to use the params. Okay, params basically headers, right? I'm going to use for my headers. Um, headers. Constant, and we can able to application x ww dot form URL encoded. This is the header you have to use. Okay, once you use this one, and we need to use for constant login res you can use, or login response also you can use. Okay, http dot a post, and we need to use for login URL play comma a payload of that particular one, and then we need to use the params. Okay, all the things we can able to get it, and after that we need to use the check constant to verify those values. Okay, login response comma two curly braces. Okay, here we need to use for login status is 200. Okay, r dot status is triple equal to 200. Okay, then we need to use for uh, sign on one, right? We need to use the sign on one. Okay, sign on maker is the title one is there, right? That particular one we need to verify. Okay, title is correct or not. Okay, now here again I'm going to use for r dot body dot includes. Okay, what exactly it will include, that we need to specify. Okay, again I'm going to here, I'll log off. Okay, once we log off and click the login button, sign on button, you can see this one, and you can see this is the title, right? Now I'm going to including this title. Okay, copy that pointer things, I'm pasting inside here to verifying that entire thing is presented or not. Okay, once it is presented, we can able to mark as a pass, otherwise mark into fail. Okay, now second case, we need to verify for second case, right? Successful, whether it is success message is presented or not, right? Now second API we are going to using. Okay, second API constant second URL. Okay, what is the second URL we have? This one. Okay, we have done second URL, and this particular second URL is become it will give you for success message, right? Success response http dot get, and we are going to specifying for second URL. Okay, Once we specify the second URL, we need to use a check constraint to verify our message is got clarified or not, right? First, we need to use the status, and then we need to specify about the success message, right? Success message we have done for, sorry, and here, and this is my message, okay? We'll copy, okay? And I'm coming back to here, verify, login success, okay? Or dot body dot includes, okay, login success, okay? This is my validation, okay? Whether this particular message is got success or not, we need to check, okay? Now I'm going to use for here tc5 underscore login login.js file, okay? Now I'm hitting this one. You can see check constraints are 4 because 2 is there, and success 200 and verify success successful login success, okay? And you can see all got passed without any issue, right? Like this we can able to do, okay? In case if you want response body to print in the console, you can do the console as well, and the last video share how to print the console also I have shown you, okay? This is a way we can able to do for login, okay? Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you.